Hi, I'm Penny and welcome back to Open Hand Farm. We've had a pretty busy morning around here. We had the grandkids today, which is always fun, but takes a lot of Grandma's time because we didn't have car seats. Grandpa went to pick up our Azure Standard order today, but while he was gone, we discovered something fun. Let me show you. We have baby bunnies. I wasn't expecting them until Friday, but she surprised us and they're wiggling around in there. I haven't had a chance to count them yet. I think there's about 6 or 7, but there are 2 that are pink, which usually indicates a white rabbit, so that's fun. The others are all dark, so they'll either be black or brown. Thanks, Mama, you did a good job. And here's the proud daddy. Good job, Daddy. Okay, now let's take a look at this Azure Standard order for April. Like I've said before, we've mixed our chicken feed and our rabbit feed from grains that we buy at Azure Standard, and that's how we came to know them. So we bought some wheat bran, nice big 25-pound bag. So there are 2 of those. Let me just show you the overall, what we have this month. There's quite a bit, a lot of big bags. We also have our animal feed whole oats with hulls, 2 bags of those. Those were the only 2 grains that we needed this time. Now, this flour, I've talked with you before about it, how much I love it. This month, I ordered 3 bags full. I actually was told that it wasn't going to ship, so I was pleasantly surprised when it did. So I have 3 50-pound bags of flour. Some of this I will put in buckets with very tight-fitting lids, and I'll put some bay leaves in with them and some moisture packets so that they'll stay nice and fresh. But some of them I'm going to put in some bags made with my automatic sealing machine and keep them in the freezer because I will not need all of this right now. But with the way things have been going, things we've been hearing on the news, I decided I wanted to have flour on hand. I also, last month, ordered these Jovial Eincorn crackers, and I love them. They are sourdough, and they're made with rosemary, which I absolutely love. So I got another 2-box package of those. And again, the Ezekiel 4-9 cinnamon raisin bread. It is so good, you guys. It really, really is. I needed some peanut butter, and I have trouble finding peanut butter that doesn't have sugar and different things in it. So I'm trying this time. I've never tried it before. It's organic, it's sea bees nuts, and it's not creamy and it's not crunchy. It is cremunchy, and it says that that is the perfect place between creamy and crunchy. So I'll let you know what I think about that. I loved the spreads that I bought last month, so I bought another one of those. And yes, you see the ice cream. Last time I got the coconut ice cream and I just got vanilla. This time I went a step further and got the sea salt caramel chocolate. I can't wait. I also found this item in the sale area, carob covered almonds, and it's made with the coconut sugar. So I decided to try those too. Sometimes I just want a little something sweet. And then the last item is the lentils that we sprout for our chickens. So we bought 4 5-pound bags of those this time because I kind of ran out last time. I had to buy a couple of bags from Walmart. Well, I just thought I would tell you what we got this month from Azure Standard. I would love to know your favorite item from there if you are an Azure Standard shopper. I am always looking forward to trying new things. So let me know. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a blessed evening. And I've still got lots of work to do around here today. I'm hoping to get some items planted in my garden, and oh my goodness, I got a huge truck full of mulch delivered in my front yard to touch up all of my mulch spaces up there. So I'm excited about that, but it's supposed to rain the next 2 days. So I probably won't be moving that anytime too soon, but I do want to get things planted in the garden. So until next time, blessings on you and yours.